What's going on, everybody? It's Charlize Walker with Lisa's Business Enterprise here with another Make It Happen Monday credit tip. So, what I'm going to be talking about today is requesting a credit line increase on your credit card. Try to say that really fast, 10 times. So, I try to say it slow. So, asking your credit card issuer to increase your credit limit, it can boost your buying power by lowering your credit utilization, which could also boost your credit score at the same time. So, so here I'll be talking about some reasons on why and how to help you make a good decision on to ask your credit card company to increase your credit limit. So, one, if you have made your payments on time, you haven't maxed out your credit card, you have and have been paying for at least, I would say, 6 months to a year on time and haven't maxed it out, and you have paid it on time, haven't maxed it out, you're more than likely to probably get approved for a credit limit increase. So think about that. So also, if you had an increase in income, credit card issuers look at it, you'll be able to able to cover an increase in credit card expenses. So you may need to provide them with proof of your new income to get approved for a higher credit limit. Okay. And so a lot of times a good score signals to your credit card issuer that you're responsible with borrowed money. So if you increase your credit score, you have the means to pay, you've been paying on time. Therefore, you're more than likely to make payments on time. You understand how much you can afford to charge each month. So they're looking at your credit history and everything, and with some credit card issuers, you're able to just, this is in my experience, you can go on their website, go online, however you pay your bill, and request the increase. Sometimes you just call them up and request the increase. Sometimes they automatically increase. They automatically increase your credit limit. So, and they probably see. And sometimes with the increase, they don't. I know with my credit cards, they don't run my credit again. They don't do a hard credit pull, but some may do a soft one as well. So some may do a hard, may look at it again. It depends on your credit card company, whoever issues, who is your credit card provider. I definitely know with one of mine, all I had to do was go online and request it. But again, do it out of the sense that if you get a request, you're going to be responsible. Okay, you're going to be responsible as well. So, but in turn, again, it helps that credit utilization rate as well. So, hope this Monday Make It Happen credit tip helps you. And if you need help with credit repair services, I am still taking clients in Texas, Michigan, and in Alabama. You can sign up on my website as well. But if you're a do it yourself, I can do it myself, Charlize. I got it, but I just need some help. Definitely pick up my book. You can order my book on my website too. Take charge of your credit. This is a step-by-step guide to repairing your credit. Again, a step-by-step guide. You got to do the steps in order for help to see your credit score increase. So the goal is to get some items removed, to report any inaccuracies and everything as well. But if you can do that, do it yourself as well. So thank you. Hopefully this Monday Make It Happen credit tip helps you.